So I learned about about a year and a half ago. I went to one of their initial events and I just kind of stayed connected with them. I love connecting with people who are in that entrepreneurial mindset in these similar spaces I can learn and grow from.
Co-selling is basically collaborating or connecting or coming together with another company, whether they are similar or complementary, and going after business together instead of going after the business solo.
Your personal brand is like the vehicle that lets people know why they should engage you at all. Like some people come to me and they don't even know that I have businesses. They just hear me talk and they've heard things that I've said and they said, I want to talk with you.
When we shift our perspective on our impact and what our impact means, when we're given those tools, we can really shine. We can really take our, the things that we're uncomfortable about or the things that we are challenged with and have a different perspective on how to tackle those challenges.
When we're talking about entrepreneurship, everyone here knows you fail a couple of times, right? And it takes time to build on something, but politicians are so scared of the failure that they don't want to even try.
One of the important things about Central Florida is that we have amazing groups like BOT that put together programming that help founders and people with ideas scale their businesses. And then there's a series of other organizations in the community that can pick up where they leave off and continue to grow them. So we have to show up, we have to build the energy around these events, talk to people and help them know that everything is here to support them and grow their businesses, and that this is literally one of the best places in the United States to grow their company.